Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So was my last game against a very good player, and this was a game which made me reach 11,000 trophies. But something unfortunate happened after this game, so you will see. So this guy is playing Expo 3.0, and as you guys saw in the thumbnail probably, that this guy is a very good player. He's top 146 something, top 200 player basically. And this guy was playing Expo 3.0, and it's a pretty good matchup for Expo in my opinion. Now you guys are gonna say like, oh my god, you have Earthquake, you hard counter him. But it's not actually true. The Expo player, all he has to do is just not play his Expo and just defend the entire game and fireball my picks every time and use Tesla's up high cause Tesla can't hit the tower and cause Earthquake can't hit the tower and Tesla at the same time. And he can just easily spell cycle cause fireball obviously deals way more damage than my Earthquake deals. As you guys saw, it's very hard to get damage. Also, what he can do is just save his Evo Tesla for Evo Piggies, and there's nothing which I can do in this matchup. Also, my Earthquake is level 15, so this matchup was kinda hard. But this guy did not play very well, even though he's a top player. This guy did not play this matchup very well. I am doing a voiceover right now because I was trying to be sweaty a lot, like I was sweating a lot playing these matches because I wanted to reach 11,000 trophies as soon as possible. But I still have to reach 500 trophies more for the better rewards. Here I tried to predict his expo, but failed miserably. I know. That was not a good prediction. Also, my towers are level 15. Guys, the worst thing about this update is like you can't even use boost potions and the archer got so much damage. You can't even use boost potions, right? And why? I don't know why. I think that was a misclick or knight by him. Like, why the hell can I not use boost potion on the... And also like free earthquake right here. Like, this is a very big mistake. And now here I am gonna make a very big mistake. Actually, I tried to play my piggies, but it did not place for some reason. And I lost so much damage because of that. I lost my entire damage rate because of that. And I called a good game because like that could have been at the end, but this guy is a very bad player in my opinion. Like, he did not play this matchup at good at all. Since he didn't have fireball, I queened the back and then just cannon, earthquake, Tesla. Also, my earthquake being level 15, it does very less damage as compared to a level 16 earthquake. Those were some pretty good tricks by me, forcing out his fireball and tagging for my archer queen. So like he logged my archer queen. Then, as you guys can see, he's changed the damage rate just because of that one slight mistake against the Evo archers. Now I've got Evo Pigs in cycle. I think this is the point where he made the mistake. Yeah, I guess this is the point. So I am supposed to receive 28 trophies to get to 11,000 trophies. But something bad happens. You see, here I am down so much elixir. Here I am down almost 10 elixir right now. Okay, I am down 5. Okay, I was a bit wrong. I do this. And always Royal House on that Expo is pretty good in my opinion. Because even if they fireball, the Royal House still deals some damage to Expo, which is most of the time enough with the earthquake to like win the match. Also, my Ice Spirit is center level, as you guys probably saw earlier. I don't know why did that guy try to defend the Ice Spirit. Here again I tried to predict Expo. You have to make predictions in this matchup to win actually. This is a firewall as well. I think that was a pretty bad firewall in my opinion. Also pretty bad expo cause just giving me free earthquake value again. This guy did not play very well in my opinion. Like, he firewalled again, but yeah, Evo Pigs on the expo is quite good. But you are guaranteed gonna get death damage even if they break you with the firewall. So that's quite nice. And here the spell cycle phase begins. I am trying to get more earthquakes, he is trying to get more firewalls. And also like our cycles are not that of a difference. Like I have 2.9, he has 3.0. It's not that big of a difference, right? So at this point I win the game. Pretty hard matchup against a very good player. And now I am supposed to receive at least 28 trophies to get to the next arena. But how many trophies did I receive? You will see, you will see. 26, right? Like, I was like, are you kidding me, guys? Are you kidding me? This was very bad in my opinion. Also, the 4-star lucky drop, 2000 motors, yeah. Like, so is Supercell really kidding me? Like, this was really bad in my opinion. So I played another match against Velocity this time. This guy was already 11k trophies. So I was kinda surprised. I was thinking maybe this guy can give me a free win. Because I did not want to lose this matchup. And this was my mistake which I usually do. Against, like what I usually do is skeletons, so I split the middle. And then pigs with, if I do skeletons the middle, then I split my pigs. If I do I split the middle, then I go for my pigs in same lane. I don't even notice that if my opponent has played anything or not, which is kind of bad. Also, this is the anti-firewall position. Most of you guys will probably know. I just cleaned the back. Easy on RG, yeah. He was playing RG with a full level 16 deck. And if you guys would have noticed, all the 4 of my cards I think are level 16. Which is the RG Queen, the Royal Hawks, the Cannon and the Royal Delivery. This matchup is fine, is beatable, and since I had so much experience in the Expo matchup and so much experience in the RG matchup, so I was easily able to beat the Expo matchup. Like I have played that Expo 3.0 versus Royal Oaks 2.9 matchup about at least 100 times, and this that's what made me to win that matchup. I'm sorry for stuttering. English is not my first language, so that's why I stutter a little bit sometimes. So here it's trying to eat some hunter damage to keep our queen healthy. And here I messed up my skeletons. Where is the ghost? Pathing is really bad in my opinion. Like, ghost pathing really messes me up sometimes. Ghost pathing needs a bit of a rework, I think. Because to be honest, I was just hoping that this guy could give me a free win because I did not want to push so much trophies more. So I went for split Royal Oaks there. If I go for the Royal Oaks in the same way, there's no point. He's just gonna firewall. I'm not gonna get any damage. But here I got very good damage. Queen Sapphire really hard for this guy to deal with. Like as you guys saw, this guy parried, dropped the fisherman there, and he did not get much value out of that. See the easy defense against RG. The queens up high with this deck is really something. Like if you want to play this deck at a high level, then you gotta start doing more queens up high. Also, there is one of the best interactions with level 16 queen is it's one shots under level minions. It survives the lightning. These interactions are really good in my opinion. Also, the RG is just dead at the bridge, so this guy has to reset again. I did not queen right there. If I did queen right there, then that would have been probably game over because he would have defended and then made a double RG point. I think I queened low right here, yeah. Also, I don't have much practice while playing by commentating at the same time, so that's why I am doing this voiceover thingy. If you guys don't like it, then I will definitely try it. So please comment down below whether you like it or not. So right now he wasted the firewall, and I knew that I would get good damage right here. So I pre-log. When they waste the firewall, you got a pre-log with the piggies, or they just hunter, skeletons, e-spirit, and then it all pretty much full counters your pigs. This matchup is fine. Like last season, it was really bad because of the broken Evo Ghost. But this season, this matchup is completely fine. You got one RG hit right here, I think. Yeah, one hit only. So, like I played skeletons again with the earthquake. You guys see how it delayed my earthquake a little bit, so he would have think that he is fine to play skeletons. But this is how you reach 11,000 trophies, guys. I mean, like, it was pretty tough in my opinion, like facing against level 16 cards every single game. Also, I was trying this deck out with Hero Musketeer, But my Hero Mosquito is level 15 only.